Here we go. Oh, please, Lola. It's not going to be so bad. It's not going to be so bad. I know. I know. It's okay. I know. Oh, gosh, she's holding on so tight. All right. George said if you grab them like this, they release some chemical and it relaxes them. All right. Okay. There. What a good girl.
Let's not stick her nose in the water.
What a good girl. Can I have a cup?
Mm-hmm.
What a good girl, Lola. Good girl. Oh, she's being good. Now, I have to get the underside of you tonight. Remember last time I forgot? Oh, it's all right. It's okay. I don't know what that means. What does that mean, Lola? What does she say? What does it sound like? What does it sound? What the heck does that sound like? What? Tell me again. You want Janine? Do you want Janine? It sounds like something. I just can't figure it out. All right. See how you're being such a good girl. Good girl, Lola. Here, lie down. No. Lie down. What the heck does that sound like? I can't. It sounds like she's gargling. What? What is it? You're doing good. You're doing good. I gotta get your belly. You're all dirty. Can you see your face? Oh, you know that dander coming off of you the other day? Don't get any ideas. I know, you're being so good. I think I'm losing water.
You want me to put it on for you?
I don't know if I dare turn it on. She's not ready. What? Could you lie down, please? Could you lie down? You lie down a minute. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Lola. Yeah, I think maybe she's liking it. Are you liking it? Are you enjoying this? You look great. Yeah, no, a little bit more, honey. We're not done yet. No, a little bit more. A little bit more. You're doing good. I know, but I only got one side of you. I know. Lola, good girl. I know. Now I have to get this part. Oh, Nikki, she's being so good.
Go figure.
Being so good. You are. What a good girl. Yeah, look at the color of the water changing. Look at the color of the water. Oh, poor Jack. What does that? Say it again. Yes, Jack, it's okay. Jack, you want to come in? The water's nice. Yeah, tell him. Here, come on in. I'd like to see you in here. Oh, that must be
Jenny. No, I'm not going to stop.
Oh, you banged your head, Lola. No, stay here. Ah! We're almost done. I know, but we're almost done. We're almost done. Oh my God. Lola. I know. I know. Alright. Almost. Look at the color of this water.
I know. She needed a bath.
How the heck does she get dirty? She's an inside cat. I know. Probably digging in all my plants. Okay. Alright, Lola. You think I should turn that? I know. Look, rinse time. Oh, that's too hot. Good girl. Yeah, I know. Good girl. Lola, you did great today. You did great today. Let me see your belly. I know. I know. Yeah, look, you never looked so skinny. Look at that. She looks like she's smuggling something. Can you see this? She looks like her boobs.
Well, you just...
Okay. Oh, what a good girl, Lola. What a good girl. I'm so proud of you. Oh, her tail's dripping. Jack, would you like to take a bath? Look at Jack wants to take a bath. Lola, should we put Jack in there? You are so good today. What the heck was that?
My phone.
That's the noise it makes when it gets a text message?
Yeah.
Text or voice?
Either.
Oh, Lola, I'm so proud of you. Look at you. I can't believe how good she was. Okay, time for the next towel. All right, I'm going to make a switch. 1, 2, 3. Roll over. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, good girl. Okay, there you are. Good girl. This went a lot better than I thought it would.
Maybe she knew she was on camera.
This is our Super Bowl entertainment for halftime. Although Bruce Springsteen was a bit better than you. Look at that little face. Smile. 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 We need to brush your teeth next.
Oh,
She's going to love that. Okay. Jack. Jack, you want a bath? Do you want a bath? But he doesn't get as dirty as she does. I'm going to need another time.
okay. Say goodbye.